everyone, welcome back to the ongoing tutorial series of Subject Operating System. This series is helpful for the students of Computer and IT stream of degree and diploma. I am Manali Kaude from LJ Polytechnic. In this tutorial series of Linux commands, up till now I have shown you different file related commands. Then after we have discussed various comparison commands and filter commands. If you have not yet watched that video, then you will find the link for the same in below description box. Today, I am going to show you few directory related commands of Linux operating system. I will show you commands like how to create a directory in Linux. Then after we will see how to change the directory. Next, we will see how to create subdirectories in Linux. Then after we will see how to move to root directory from currently working directory. So these are the few operations which we will see today and we will see the commands for the same. So let's start our today's session. We will now understand how to create directories in Linux. The command which is used to create directory is mkdir and syntax for the same is mkdir space directory name. Let's take an example. I want to create a directory named as sample. So I will write mkdir space sample. So it will create a directory named as sample. Let's check whether directory is created or not. So for that I will write command ls command. This command I have discussed in my previous tutorials. So I will write down ls and then press enter. As you can see, directory named as sample has been created. If you want to give more than one directory name in command line, then this command, that is mkdir command, will create each of these directories. For example, I will write mkdir space dir1 and then give space dir2. So here two directories will be created named as dir1 and dir2, as you can see over here. Now we will see how to create parent directories. Sometimes whenever you are creating a directory, it might happen that parent directory does not exist. So in this scenario, mkdir will generate an error if the parent directory is missing. Like an example, I am writing mkdir slash tmp slash sample slash test. As you can see over here, it will generate an error because the parent directory is not present. So in this scenario or in this case, we will use one option, that is P option. So it creates all the necessary directories for you. Now I will write mkdir hyphen p, then slash tmp slash sample slash test. So as you can see, it has not generated any error message now because it has created the parent directory which was previously missing. So using this option, that is P option, you can create all the missing parent directories. Next command which we will see is how to change the directory in Linux. The command which is used to change the directory is cd command. Syntax for this command is cd space directory name. So I will show you one example. I will write down cd space my dir and then press enter. So as you can see, it changes the current working directory as my dir. Now next I will show you how to use dot operator with cd command. Suppose you are currently working in slash my dir slash dir1 slash master directory and you want to switch one level up from the current directory. So we will type cd then dot operator 2 times and then slash. So as you can see, we have moved one level up from the current directory. Next variation which we will see is how to move to home directory. Suppose you are working in my dir directory slash dir1 slash master directory. So currently you are working in master directory and you want to move to home directory. So in this scenario, you will write down cd space tilde operator. So this operator will help us to move to home directory, as you can see over here. So this was all about the today's session. In today's session, we have discussed some of the directory commands of Linux OS. Now we will see few practice questions related to these commands. You can answer all these questions in below comment section. So the first question is, write a command to create a new directory named as dir1. Make sure whenever you write the command, give the name as I have mentioned in the question. Second question is, write a command to change directory to dir1. Third question is, write a command to create new directory inside directory named as dir1. So in this question, you can give any name to the new created child directory. Last question is, write a command to move to root directory. You can answer all these questions in below comment section. This was all about the few directory commands of Linux operating system. This was all about today's session. In today's session, we have seen few directory related commands like make directory command, which creates a directory. Second command which we have discussed today is the change directory command, which changes the directory. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then do like, share and subscribe this channel. Click on the bell icon for future notification. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.